Living simply should not have to be complicated or expensive. But there's a lot of confusing advice out there. Particularly when it comes to budgeting and trying to enjoy the finer things. Minimalism and simple living can seem either unrealistic or completely unfeasible altogether. But it doesn't have to be this way. Sometimes the finer things aren't that costly at all, or it just requires a bit of a mindset shift to recognize what we actually need and is important to us. For me, to live simply with satisfaction is what it means to live a life of abundance and feel truly enriched both inside and out. Now, I live alone, and by no means would I say that I am depriving myself in any way or living in a way that is extreme, such as being on the breadline or anything like that. I most definitely am living comfortably and in a way that is sustainable and brings me a lot of contentment and enjoyment. Since I have put quality at the forefront of the things that I value and are most important to me, simple and slow living has become a very affordable and sustainable lifestyle for me. And now there are a couple of ways that I have been able to do this to make sure that I am not skimping on quality. I'm able to still buy the things that I would like and mean a lot to me, and also making sure that I'm not living below my basic needs, so I'm not depriving myself in any way. And so in this video, I wanted to share some little tips and tricks that have helped me to be able to sustain a more simple and slower pace of life, as well as making sure I'm not compromising on quality or my well-being. Just a few little tips and tricks that have helped me to sustain this lifestyle that hopefully can help you too, particularly when living alone. One thing that I have started doing for a while now is adopting a try-it-yourself mindset. As an avid learner and someone who loves acquiring new knowledge, this mindset has opened up so many new skills and experiences for me, not to mention it being particularly friendly on my wallet. When it comes to everyday basics, such as food, I think it becomes too easy to take staple items for granted, not to mention how costly these things can be when we're consuming them on a daily basis. So, I decided to put the try-it-yourself mindset to practice, and the results sure have been better than I could possibly have imagined. In this instance, not only have I learned a new skill in the form of bread making, but I'm able to make something that is healthy and delicious whilst being budget friendly. And I don't think you can get much more satisfying than that. Living simply is about embracing the little things and making the most of them. Honestly, bread making has become a hobby I thoroughly enjoy now. Although there were some hiccups at the start, I find the process wholly satisfying, with of course consuming the end product being the best part. So if you're wanting to live more simply, give the try-it-yourself mindset a go and enjoy every stage of the process. You never know what you might learn, and better yet, how much you could save. It's a good one. Yummy. And then one final way that I can live simply but still enjoy the finer things in life is by hosting and having little dinner parties at home. Now, I personally absolutely love cooking, and there's nothing more that I love than sharing delicious food with some of my favorite people, having fantastic conversation, lots of laughter, and just having a great time. And when it comes to hosting and having friends and family over, I get the best of both worlds because I get to cook something absolutely delicious. I get to share that with some of my loved ones and spend great time with them, and it's just a great way to connect, but also to enjoy the finer things in life on a budget. Living simply, but also enjoying delicious food with fantastic company. I don't think it could possibly get any better. Now, I have never been a party animal or one to be out late into the night, but one thing I do love is quality time with loved ones and delicious food, of course. So, hosting little dinner parties is my favourite way to celebrate the little things and strengthen my connection with those I love. Great food, great company, and great conversation. My idea of perfection and the best way to spend my time. So there you have it. Those are some little tips and tricks on how I live simply, particularly when living alone. I've found that I'm still able to enjoy the really finer things and great quality, whilst making sure that I am being frugal and spending wisely. It's about enjoying the simple things in life, because undoubtedly those are the things that mean the most. So yeah, I really hope that some of these tips can help you to live more simply, realize that minimalism isn't about scarcity, it's about quality and just being more mindful, enjoying the simple things in life. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate you all taking the time to watch this video and support this channel. It means so much to me. Wishing you a really happy and peaceful day wherever you are, and I will see you again soon in my next video.